Jeez.
Miles, are you feeding Riley? Where did the lid go?
Today is Miles' birthday, right? Isn't today Miles' birthday?
Yeah.
Miles is 2 today.
Oh, wow.
That's so cute. You sharing your food, Miles? Jeez. Up.
Okay.
Good job, you two. You guys make a good team. You can clean up any plate this way.
Wow. Is that pineapple?
Toss it.